Every day we make countless decisions. Some are small, like what to eat. Others are big, like choosing a career path or making a financial investment. But no matter the size, many people struggle with confidence when it comes to decision-making. Confidence in decisions doesn't come from always being right. It comes from trusting yourself and your ability to handle the outcome no matter what happens. The first step to building confidence in your decisions is clarity. Take time to understand the situation. Gather the facts, consider your options, and ask yourself what really matters to you. When your mind is clear, your decisions become easier to make. Next, avoid overthinking. It's good to consider the pros and cons, but too much analysis can lead to paralysis. Instead of trying to find the perfect answer, focus on what feels right based on the information you have. Understand that no decision is risk-free, and that's okay. Another way to build confidence is to learn from your past decisions. Think about the choices you've made before. What worked? What didn't? Use those experiences as lessons. This helps you recognize patterns and become more sure of your instincts. It's also important to trust your values. When your decisions align with what you believe in, you're more likely to stand by them. This internal alignment creates confidence because you're making choices that reflect who you are. Sometimes asking for advice can help, but don't rely on others to make the choice for you. Use their insights as guidance, not as a replacement for your own judgment. The final decision should always be yours. Take action. Even a small step forward can build momentum. The more you act, the more confident you become. Confidence grows with practice, not perfection. Lastly, accept that mistakes are part of the process. Everyone makes wrong decisions at times. What matters is how you respond. When you treat failures as growth opportunities, your fear of making decisions starts to fade. Building confidence in your decisions takes time. But with clarity, self-trust, and action, you'll begin to feel more sure of yourself every step of the way. Remember, confidence isn't about knowing everything. It's about believing that you can figure it out.